Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. I am MMNA. If this is the first time you're seeing me on your timeline or you're seeing my thumbnail, thank you for clicking my video. I make beauty, wellness, and lifestyle content. So if that's right up your alley, I think you should hit that subscribe button. So like the title of this video says, I know it is not beauty, it is not wellness, and also it's not a vlog, but I decided to try something different on my channel. I know I'm not the typical tech girly, but I'm actually a tech girly because I do have a BSc in computer science. Okay, I gave 4 years of my life to computer science, so I do have the right to call myself a tech girly. Okay, and I have my degree to back it up. But that aside, we're not here to brag about my degree. We're here to talk about my new investment. Okay, so I recently got an iPhone 15 Pro Max, and I got the size 1 terabyte, and I got the color natural titanium. Right, so this is like the most, I don't know what to call it, but it is the latest iPhone and all of that. And the reason why I decided to get something that big is because I plan to fully go into content creation full-time next year. So I wanted to get the best tool or equipment to create both long form and short form content. And yeah, I already do have a Sony ZV-1 vlogging camera that I used to shoot. This video you're watching is shot on a Sony ZV-1. All my vlogs are shot on my Sony ZV-1. But with being in Nigeria, if I didn't say, I am based in Lagos, Nigeria. A lot of times we get signaled not to use a professional camera, even though an iPhone camera is almost the same as this quality. So I decided to go for something that's going to give me high quality and still acceptable in Nigerian places. But yeah, when I do my research to buy new equipment, I love to see people in the same content field as I am. So I love to watch beauty girls, wellness girls, daily vloggers, TikTokers, and people who do the stuff I do use this equipment, so I see how the equipment is going to work for me. So if you are a content creator, a beauty girly, a lifestyle content creator, a TikToker, this is the video for you. So in the beginning of this video, you saw me unbox and set up my new iPhone 15 Pro Max. So it's still currently transferring from my old iPhone to my new iPhone 15 Pro Max. So just for reference, I used to use, or I still use, an iPhone 11, and I got this 3 years ago, and up until this moment that phone has never given me any issues. The only issues I do have with my iPhone 11 is that the space is so tiny. I got the 64 gig, which I think iPhone doesn't make 64 gig anymore, but apart from that, it was a good investment. So for me to go from an iPhone 11 to a 15 Pro Max is a very huge jump. If I do say so myself, it's like two different worlds, but to me it's worth it. I just think, for me, I feel like if you use like an iPhone 13 Pro or like a 14 Pro, it's not a huge jump for you, but for me, I'm really excited to see what it does for my content and how it pushes my content, and how it affects my productivity and all of that jazz. So yes, we're going to be doing a camera test because content creation is all about our camera. Like, there's no content creation without your camera. So the quality of your camera somehow not somehow, but it directly influences the quality of your content. So yeah. So my pineapples, it has just finished transferring from my old iPhone to my new iPhone, and this is what it is saying. So I'm just gonna click on continue. It's just showing me that it does have an action button. I was reading about this before getting this phone, and I was like, what is an action button? So I guess the action button is here. Okay, I have all my apps here. So I do have to get acquainted to this. It feels like I'm on a new, I feel like I'm going from an Android to an iPhone, and I've been using an iPhone. That's how old my iPhone 11 is. And it even has my screensaver. What? Don't even laugh at me, because you're like, we been knew this. I'm sorry. Okay, I'm a village girl, but yeah, that's my screensaver. So these are my two iPhones, my iPhone 11 and my iPhone 15 Pro Max. Whoa. So my pineapples, I'm really excited to see how this phone is going to pair with my MacBook Pro, because last year I did get a MacBook Pro M2 chip laptop. So I'm really excited to see how this is going to work with my laptop, because my iPhone 11 was really slow because it's a very late iPhone, I know. But yeah, I'm super excited to see how productive this phone helps me get. And of course, we're going to do a camera test. Hello everybody. I'm screen recording so you guys can see the camera quality. I've seen a lot of people complaining about the iPhone 15 Pro Max camera and how it makes you look super realistic, because people want to look beautiful. Okay, but I think she looks good. Summer pineapples, this is the video quality for the front camera. I saw a lot of people complaining about this camera and I do see what they were saying. It shows everything. No, I don't like it. I do not like it. Why is it showing my every bump and imperfection? No. Yeah. So my pineapples, this is the video quality for the back camera. I don't know if you guys like it, but I'll probably tweak it and check online for like iPhone 15 Pro video settings, because I'm going to be using a lot to vlog as well. So yeah, my pineapples, if you are interested to see my content creation journey with the iPhone 15 Pro Max, make sure you follow me on Instagram, because the pictures are going to be picturing. Okay, the video content is going to be contenting. So also don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments section. Just again, I did get the iPhone 15 Pro Max in 1TB size, and the color I got is the natural titanium, which is natural titanium is just that girl for the iPhone 15 series, just like the purple was for the 14 and the blue was for the 13. So yeah, my pineapples, I'm really excited I got that girl of the iPhone 15 series. I hope you enjoyed this video. It is not a vlog or like a try and haul, but I'm documenting my life. So yeah, my pineapples, with all of that being said, I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Hello. Yeah. Okay. I never really know my passwords. Yeah, I got it this time. Okay. So I wanted to show you guys what the color looks like in natural lighting. It's a very gray but with a blue and green tint. And then I set up my action button to open up my camera. So every time I need to film, I just click on my action button and it opens up my camera.